Hi everyone! Today I have a makeup look tutorial for you. It's smoky eyes in vampire style using lots of red and orange. If you want to see how I achieved this look, keep watching. I used this dark red liquid lipstick to prime my lids. I made sure it's evenly applied with a thin layer. I added the second layer to make the color more vibrant. Next, I used a dark beige concealer to blend the edges. I used the red lipstick again to darken the outer corners of my eyes. Then I took a matte white eyeshadow and applied it under my eyebrows. I used medium brown eyeshadow as a transition shade. It connected the white and the red together. Next I used the Modern Renaissance palette from Anastasia Beverly Hills. I applied first the Venetian red all over my lids. Then I used the shade called Ralgar to blend my crease. I was basically mixing cool toned red with warm toned red to achieve the bloody color. I used the red lipstick on my lower lids as well. Then I applied the Venetian red on top of it. I blended the edges with white. Then I lined my eyes with black eye pencil, the top and bottom lash line and top and bottom waterline. I set the pencil with black eyeshadow. I also blended it slightly. I primed my face using mattifying cream from Mary Kay. I cleaned up under my eyes with this amazing high coverage concealer also from Mary Kay. I'm using the lightest shade, which is almost white. Because my skin was quite red, I went for more high coverage foundation routine. I applied first MAC Pro Longwear Concealer in shade NC15 all over my face. Then I applied MAC Fix Fluid Foundation also in shade NC15. I blended them both with my damp makeup sponge. It's supposed to be similar to Beauty Blender. I have never used the sponge for application, so this was my first time. I think it worked out alright. I used the dark beige concealer I still had on my hand to cream contour my face. I set everything with translucent loose powder from Mary Kay. Next I went in the light brown again and applied it on top of the cream contour. This made it last all night. Then I applied the Ralgar shade to blend under my eyes. I also used the burnt orange shade a bit lower, and also to blend my crease. Then I brushed my brows and defined them using Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade in shade Ebony. I finished off with applying the red lipstick on my lips. So this is it for my today's video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. If you have any ideas, comments or suggestions, leave them down below in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already yet, and I'll see you next time. Bye!